Hey there, it's Boots Owen here. This is a Vax vacuum cleaner, an air steerable ultralight reach. Down on the bottom, it's got this motorized brush arrangement and it's completely caked up with fiber. Carpet fiber, I think, maybe some hair. Let's have a look at it. So, as we can see, it's probably some hair, some fiber from carpet, bits and bobs. Very stiff to turn around. It is moving. Let's have a look at the belt on the side. So in here, we've got 3 screws on the side. Get them out. Then underneath we'll see more hair. Yikes. And more hair and more hair and a belt, a little tooth belt. There's a little bearing there. If we lift this off, more hair. I think if we can get this belt off by rotating it around. I'm just using my fingers on the brushes to twist to turn it, trying to get it to ride up on the pulley. That's the belt off. Pull off the whole around, then this comes out. This piece of plastic here. There it is. That's how you get it out for cleaning. And then get a sharp knife. Scissors is probably safer. Just cut it all because it's so wrapped up around it. Fibers, hair. If you are precious about these things, use a scissors. Don't leave big marks like I'm doing. I, however, am not so precious about this. Maybe I should try just for the sake of seeing if my recommendation actually works. Yeah. It's definitely safer. In this case, the knife works better. There's a bit of string or something in there as well. You can slice through it much stronger, much faster. It's quite deep, this one. If you really wanted to, you could give this a wash as well, but you know, you are going to be using it on a floor. Okay, that's it. Let's get it back together. Gross. So just look it in here. You can see a bit of dust in there as well. Let's just take that out. You could clean all this out as well. I'm not going to. There's a square end on here. that has to engage at the other end. There's a square socket or something up, so you might call it socket, up on this end to receive that square. So those two pieces clip on either side and then clip in there. And that's that. Let's just check it's not lined up on the other end. So get these squares lined up in here again. That's that side. And there we are. Belt goes on like that. And then this belt cover goes on. Like that. And I've got to get a belt over here. Just rotating the brushes again. Oh, that piece of plastic flipped off. But we're on. So maybe leave that off next time. And that's it. Put the cover back on. 3 screws in. And that's it. Good as new. If you've broken a belt, it's exactly the same process. Just take out the broken belt, put it back in, and you might as well clean it while you're there. Thanks for watching. See you later.